Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with a strong base photo and the right tools, open your image, duplicate the layer, and lock the original. Crop to your desired framing, then correct exposure and white balance to a warm, slightly muted palette. This creates that gentle Ghibli glow. Once done, reduce highlights and lift shadows to preserve detail, and apply a 1/2 soft Gaussian blur on a low opacity layer to soften harsh edges. Make sure to save a version before moving on. You now build the illustrative look. Trace main shapes with a smooth brush and simplify forms into clean planes. Paint flat colors beneath the line work, then add shadow layers set to multiply at 20–40% opacity to anchor volume. Once done, introduce rim light on hair and edges to mimic film lighting, and paint soft atmospheric haze with a low opacity airbrush. Use textured brushes for paper grain and subtle canvas marks. These you finish by unifying the image. Use curves to lift midtones and apply split toning, warm highlights, cooler shadows, to recreate Ghibli warmth. Add fine grain and a soft vignette for focus, then run a subtle high-pass sharpen on 10–20% blend. Once done, export in PNG or high-quality JPG at your target resolution. If the result looks off, check your blend modes and layer opacities. A common fix is lowering shadow strength or adjusting saturation selectively to restore depth.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.